Now in the income statement, when I say revenue, I don't just say total revenue. I'm supposed to give net of returns, net of discounts, right? So revenue is basically net sales after removing discounts and allowance. What are my returns and allowances? Basically whatever is already returned back. Okay. Now, when you recognize revenue, remember it is it is based on accrual system, right? There are two things that you need to understand. It is recognized when it's highly probable and is recognized when it's earned. You cannot recognize revenue when it is received. The concept is called accrual, right? Now, what is accrual? Accrual means I will accrue income when earned. Okay. Example, Amazon. If Amazon dispatches you some goods, right? They'll dispatch the goods on, let's say, 29th March. The goods are left from the godown on 31st March. They left the godown in Bangalore. They've come to Bombay. It reached Bombay on 2nd April. It reached your house on 3rd April. When will Amazon recognize a sale? On the day the goods leave the godown, or the day they reach Bombay, or the day they reach your house? When would Amazon recognize the sale? You answer. Reach your house, right? Idly, correct? What are you guys online? When will it reach it? See, idly, when it leaves the godown, can it call the goods back? No, right? It's gone. It reached Bombay, they can't call it back. It will reach your house only. But safety's sake, you'll still record it. They should record it when it reaches your house, right? That means the concept is that when the goods effectively have already delivered, right? The risk is transferred. But do you think Amazon really does that? Will they call and say, sir, you receive the goods and then they record the revenue? They will record when they dispatch it only. While they sit and record, because remember, it will reach everyone's house on different dates. But for them, goods are dispatched. I don't care when received. They will record when dispatched, right? They can't say keep track. But they will look at revenue returns. Correct? They will estimate. See, don't forget, even though reach your house, the answer is wrong. You have how many days to return the goods? Yes. In 30, if you return the goods, do you think Amazon has a right to record revenue till you say yes? They can't. Till you say, oh, I like the goods, I'll keep it. They can't record because they have the right to return. But Amazon don't wait for 30 days for every customer, no? So what will Amazon do? They will estimate that out of my 10 million people dollars, how many people might return the goods? How do they estimate? Tell me. How do they estimate that? Very good. So based on past, last 5 years, they will check out every month how many are returned, average, and that average is going to be estimate. So therefore, Amazon's revenue, this example, will be the total revenue they send. Let's say they sent out 100 million in the month of March. They will minus estimated returns, right? Maybe they'll say that every month we know that 10% is returned. Very good. Then they'll say 90 is the actual sales I have earned. Remaining 10 might come back, might not have reached, blah, 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 blah. Is that clear? This is why I say returns, allowance, discounts are estimates. Allowance, returns. We sure it faulty. Like many people, iPhone didn't come, dabba, empty dabba came. You see the example, right? iPhone and not come. So what do? They can't sit and say, no, you're a fraud. They have to give another phone. No matter what he did, they have to replace it, they have to allow it. So all that allowance and discount, all that Amazon has to do. So they will estimate. Obviously, not all 100 will be wrong, right? So they'll estimate what is the amount of discounts. Is everyone clear? Guys, online, are you clear the example? Hope you answered. This is the best example of what I can tell you for sales. Clear? Online, you're still listening, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Good. Okay. So this applies to you in Flipkart. Mintra, all of them. Okay, please learn this example, and this will help you understand what exactly is my estimation around returns, allowances, and discounts. Clear? And again, remember one last term. It is only when it is highly probable. That means if I'm selling goods to a party who may not make the payment, then I cannot record the sale. So you have to take two things. Has the goods received? Have you dispatched it? Has it reached the customer? And is it probable that he'll pay you money? If from the beginning you sell but you don't expect any payment to come, then you better not record the revenue. Clear? So that's the logic. Okay. Now quickly some basic terms. You all should know this. Accrued expenses is nothing but accrued means expenses incurred but not yet paid. Kharcha ho gaya, I've not paid it. I've spent it, I've not paid it, right? Example, rent. I have to pay on 31st every month. I'll pay it on 2nd of the next month. But I have to record the expense on 31st. It becomes accrued expense, right? Warranty, like Amazon also, that's sale. Warranty, I sold goods, warranty claim is there. He may come and ask me to repair it. I can't charge next year. I have to charge the year I sold the goods. So that is a warranty. Prepaid expense, ulta, it's the opposite. I paid in advance. I'll record it in the month it pertains to. If I paid next month rent this month, I will not record the expense. Clear? It'll go in the next month. So that's prepaid expense. This is more integral than the income side. Accrued revenue means you earn the income, you earned, but you not yet received it. You delivered a service, but not yet received it. Tell me, is this an asset or liability? Asset or liability?
Liability.
I have delivered the service. I have not got the money. I will get the money.
Asset.
Very good. So this is an asset because it is money to be received. I will book a debtor. Okay, this one is a very important word. What is unearned revenue? Means I've received the money, but the service is not rendered. Got it? Like school fees and all. Like you pay for 1 year, 2 years, but you don't get service. So this is effectively a liability for the person who received the money, right? This is a liability because I have yet to give the service. If I don't give the service, I will not. Like Byju's, they take 2 years of income and they give service over 2 years. If they don't give service, they'll refund the fees. Liability, right? So these two are important words. So please learn. Unearned revenue is liability. Accrued revenue is asset. Ulta. Prepaid expense is an asset. Okay. So remember, prepaid income, pre-received income is a liability. Prepaid expense is an asset. Accrued expense is a liability. Accrued income is an asset. So please learn the words based on the terms. Don't say accrued liability. Accrued can be expense or income. Are we clear, guys? Please make a note of this. This is very important conceptual checking. Accrued expense, accrued income, prepaid expense, and pre-received income. Clear, guys? Any doubts? Okay, so this is asset and liability.